Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. Okay, if you look at this particular chart of natural gas, the price is currently trading at $3.436. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, you can see a green candle is trying to form. Okay, overall trend is downside, you can say. Okay, but this downside, what we have seen, it is quite volatile, but it is in a volatile range, descending order, but in a volatile range. You can see a swing is forming at this particular level. A green candle is trying to form. This is the first thing. Okay, now second, what we have to notice here is that it has already made a high. Okay, and this high is after being, you can say, 10 to 12 years that it has touched a level of $10. And this is the second thing. And third thing is that there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern is quite repeated, and this was the 7th time we have seen the same pattern is repeated, that once it goes above a level of its previous high, there is a continuous upside. Okay, why I tell you this in most of the videos, because you should understand the movement of natural gas, then only you will understand how it can move in the next week or days or month, even year wise. See, now what you can see, before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, there is a volatility after 2022. Okay, this is where we have seen a lot of volatility. In the same way, if you look at this 2008 pattern, there is also so much of volatility we have seen. Now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are high that we can see it can go towards a level of $3.71, and if that level move upside, we can see it can touch a level of $3.75. Okay, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can go towards a level of $3.95. Okay, and once the price sustain of this particular level, it can go towards a level of $4, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $4.13. And once the price sustain above 4.13, then we can see it can go towards a level of $4.37. Okay, this is the gap. We can see it can fill this particular gap. Once it sustain above this level, it can touch this level because there is a gap between this particular zone. So once it form and move above this level, then we can see towards upside some movement. As you can see that it will move out again and it will go in this particular zone. Okay, till the time it is sustaining below a level of 3.5, we can see it will move out of this zone, and a probability of going further low is on a higher side. Okay, but once it goes up 3.5, it will again move in this zone. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, chances are high it can cross a level of $4.1 and can touch a level of around 4.2, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $4.49. Okay, and once the price goes above $4.49, then we can see it can go further upside and can go towards a level of $4.73, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 4.9. And once the price sustain above 4.9, then you can see it can go further upside. Okay, if it's sustain above 4.9, then we can see. But as I've already told you that whenever it goes high, there is a sharp fall we have seen. Till the time we have not seen there is any swing forming. Okay, but suppose if the price moved below this particular level or didn't go above a level of 3.5, okay, or this green candle forms a red candle and moves below this particular level, so the next support we can see coming at around $3.3. Okay, and if the price move below this particular level, you can see that $3.3 is a weak support. So chances are very high, and it has already at this level we have not seen since June of 2021. So chances are very high that we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching 3.2 is there. And once the price fall below this particular level, we can see it can fall further low, and a probability of going towards $3.028 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $2.85. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.65, and from there we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching a level of 2.34 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below $2.34, we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $2.1, and from there we can see it can move further low. You have to understand that once the price is moving below $3.5, chances are very high it can go further low. Okay, once it moves below this particular level, chances of touching $3 is there, and from there we can see it can fall further down towards 2.8, and if that level also didn't sustain, chances of going towards 2.7 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards 2.65 to a level of $2.2, and then further if the price didn't sustain. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now understand something, that what people do mistakes. What I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. That is 1000 to 1500. Risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, that is, suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum risk is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, this 100 per trade, if you lose all 5 trades, maximum loss is $500. You can relax for it. Okay, then relax for that particular day. Now you can trade the next day. What is the benefit? It is not that big amount that you will try to recover the same day. But if you lose 5,000, 3,000, that most people do mistakes, and they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. This is what they do. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.